Hi everyone, welcome in Big Lagoon private boat tour A. This is part 2 of the vlog. It was simply just too long to make it into one, so we decided to split it in two. We're at the Big Lagoon at the moment, waiting for the girls to come back from their kayaks. If you haven't watched part 1, then I really recommend you do. Some gorgeous drone shots, some gorgeous scenery. Yeah, make sure you watch the part 1 before you watch this one. And if you're not interested in the part 1, which covers 7 Command Islands and Big Lagoon, then jump straight to this one to watch what else we got planned, which is we got lunch, snorkeling, and Shizu Island Tour A, El Nido private boat tour. Yeah, just come with me and watch it. But just before we do this, let me show you Big Lagoon as I did show it in part 1, but you still have to see it in part 2. So just have a look at this. Check this out. That's where we are. So yeah, this is the Big Lagoon parking lot for boats. You can only stay here for 50 minutes while we're waiting for everyone to come back from kayaking. So they took the kayaks, they went to the Big Lagoon to see it properly. But don't worry, if you watch part 1, we've recorded an amazing film from there, from drone, from low. So you haven't lost anything. Go back and watch it. But I just want to give you a quick look at Big Lagoon before we move on for snorkeling, lunch, and Shizu Islands. So yeah, I think this is stunning. What do you reckon? Let me know in comments. What do you think? I think this is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's wait for the girls to come back with their kayaks, and off we go to eat as we are bloody starving. Last look, and off we go. Isn't this beautiful? What a scenery. There you go, the girls are back. Just need to... Oh, he just jumped in the water to get them. So, girls are here, and off we go for lunch finally. Honestly, I've just downloaded pictures from the drone to my phone, and honestly, they look absolutely gorgeous. Trust me or not, they are absolutely stunning. Here they come.
It was amazing.
Yeah?
It was amazing.
We follow you with the drone. Did you take some pictures? You didn't take your phone? Oh God. Good job we fly the drone.
Hours memories.
Okay. Well. So this is our hidden beach where we're gonna have lunch. I like that. Yeah, tiny little place. I'm still wondering what they prepared for us. They said they got fried fish. Looking forward to see it as I'm bloody hungry. Nice, no? Nice little place. Let's see it. Place is called Umbrella Beach because apparently this rock over here somehow looks like an umbrella when it's open. Does it? Or doesn't it? Maybe. Anyway, off we go. Ah, look at this water. Look at this bloody water. I think they're going to prepare for us all the tables. Look at this. They were prepared for everything. Our little step ladder is here. I swear God, one day I'm going to drop the camera. Sacrificing too much. Shit, it's deep, no? Shit. Let's not submerge the. Okay, hold on. Okay, it's recording.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold it.
Wow, nice little remote location. I love how they have all the table and all the setup for us ready. Umbrella Island, Umbrella Beach, sorry. Check it out, isn't this nice? This is very nice. So we have to they're setting up the table for us over here. I love it. I love it. Okay, table is almost ready. More remote boats are coming. How nice is this? Okay, I'll show you when lunch is served. But I do really like this lovely little remote location. Isn't that nice? Okay. I mean, check it out. Look what they prepared for us. I was expecting something tiny little thing, but look at this. Look at the size of this fish. That's huge.
And then your
Cucumber
leftover,
salads.
you can put on the baldi.
Okay. 1 ton of
This
rice.
one.
Squid. Prawns. Chicken. Mango. Pork. Shit, that is that is the hell of a lunch.
Yeah.
So yeah, check it out. We're gonna dig in now. That is amazing. Guys, the food they prepped for us was amazing. I was expecting some quick snacks and water, but we had chicken, pork, calamari, a massive sort of seabream looking fish. Wow, I'm stuffed. What a great food. I was really not expecting this. So soon we're gonna be getting on our boat again, and then we go to a secret lagoon, I think he said. He said it's only 3-5 minutes from here, so not far. After this, when we digested our food a little, we're gonna go for a quick snorkel, and then after the snorkel, the last point on our tour will be Shizu Island as last point, and then an hour and 20 minutes from there back to where we live, back to our hotel. Just want to take a walk here, guys, just to show you. This beach is tiny little beach, but it's so nice. The water is so beautiful. Honestly, I can't get enough. And by the way, he said it's about this rock over here that looks like an umbrella, not the big one. It's that. So just a little walk. See, this is such a remote little island, such a remote little beach. You can't get here anyway apart from the boat. Beautiful, beautiful. Honestly, what a paradise. What a paradise. I'm pretty sure that the beaches and water is actually nicer here than in Thailand, and that was my top one so far. But I think I'm gonna have to change my mind. I was super committed to Thailand, so I feel a bit guilty now, but come on, that is better. That is amazing. And people are so kind. Honestly, people are so nice. So yeah, what else do you want? What else do you want, guys? I could literally spend all my holiday right here on this tiny little beach. Imagine this for yourself. In here you can get a coconut or a beer or whatever if you wish. But we have enough of this for now. We're stuffed. Don't want to eat or drink anything else. Yeah, so last look at the Umbrella Beach. What a gorgeous little gem. What a gorgeous little gem. So, goodbye. Beautiful Umbrella Beach. Off we go to
Umbrella beach.
Hidden Hidden Lagoon, right? The next one.
Yeah.
Hidden Lagoon.
Umbrella. Cereal. No, yeah. Ale cereal just no umbrella.
So I think it should be a little bit easier to leave this place. 7 Commando was just hard. Too many boats. This one will be easy. Honestly, this place wasn't even on the list of stops. I mean, yes, there was a lunch break, but I was expecting this to, I don't know, whether stop in the restaurant or eat on the boat. I didn't expect them to prepare such a good food and a table, a drink, and everything. Food was outstanding. What a service! What a service! So let's leave here. I love how they maneuver these boats with the big bamboo stick. Look at our umbrella over there. So 5 minutes from here, Hidden Lagoon, stop number 3. They always jump in the water, I don't know why. I don't know if he's pulling the anchor or... Look how fit they are, honestly. Oh, got a bit rocking. But these boats are made for it, so it's fine. Okay, let's turn around and off we go. Not very easy to reverse. I think it takes about 2 or 3 people to operate this boat. There we go, we're sailing off. Let's head towards the Secret Lagoon.
Okay, ma'am, sir, how's your lunch? Everybody's good?
It was delicious. Thank you.
The best food would be in Nido already.
Thank you so much.
Because we eat a lot of horrible food. Some days the food is amazing.
Yeah, thank you.
Maybe you will even have a restaurant.
Yeah, they telling him it was the best food we had in El Nido so far, which probably was actually. It was really good. It was very tasty.
Secret Lagoon, we need to travel almost 3 to 5 minutes.
3 to 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I should sit down actually because it's a bit windy, not for me but for the boat, and it's rocking the bloody boat. So I'll see you in the Secret Lagoon. It's really rocking this bloody boat. Look at this. Okay, catch you there.
Nobody knows secret.
Approaching the Secret Lagoon, the guy is saying that we're gonna get off on the beach here, and we can either stay on the beach or we can walk to the actual lagoon, which is only like 5-minute walk maximum. So let's walk maybe, why not? Maybe we can get a decent drone footage there as well. So let's see it. Another beautiful little remote beach. Look at this, and look at the view. This is bloody amazing, honestly. Honestly, it just gets better and better here. I'm not sure which way we walk towards the lagoon, as this seems to be a tiny little beach. I don't know whether that's behind the rocks or... Anyway, I'm sure he will tell us. So he's saying that the lagoon, it's this way, behind the palms. I think we're gonna do it. Why not? What a spectacular view! What a spectacular view! Wow! Just look at this. We've actually stopped quite far away from the beach, and to be honest, we had to walk. And there are stones on the bottom of the sea. Thanks God, I've listened to the girls and I bought these shoes for walking in water. I've never used those before. I'm actually very grateful that I bought them. They cost me 300 pesos. 300 pesos is £5, and I think they are saving my life. Anyway, let's walk up to the hidden lagoon. They say you have to walk a few minutes, and I think I can already see it. Wow. I think that's it. Wow, wow, wow. It's looking very pretty already. Guess we can't go there with the boat. Have to go with by walk. Oh shit, it's windy. So that's it.
The water side from the top.
Okay, I understand why it's called Secret Lagoon. Oh, I think we have to go there, like inside there. That's not the lagoon yet, is it? Let me ask the guy. I can see the drone already flying. I think I'm gonna fly mine too. Yeah, I think the lagoon is behind there. Just need to make up my mind. Is it worth it or is it no? Let me ask our guide. Girls, I'm taking pictures, of course. Good job, I'm not that bothered about these things. It's there, yeah?
It's behind.
Behind.
It's a lot of people.
Is it worth to go or should we leave it?
For me, much better here.
It's better here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Inside.
Okay, let's skip it. It's too many people there. I'm alright, thank you.
If you want to take pictures.
Okay, let's leave the lagoon. There are too many people and it's gonna take us ages to get there. And the guide is even saying that it's not really worth going. Might as well stay on the beach. So let's launch the drone for a bit and take some pictures, some good shots. I mean, this beach itself is beautiful. No need to go there. I mean, I probably would, but I just can't be bothered with that queue. Philippines is beautiful, honestly. I just keep proving this to myself every day. And this is Tour A, and he says, the guy says that Tour C is the most spectacular one. So isn't this spectacular yet? I think this is bloody amazing. Anyway, let's take a little walk on the beach.
Right there, guys.
Find a nice
Right here.
drone spot and let's let the drone do the work. Let's hide somewhere in the shade, in the shadow. Okay, this looks like a spot good enough. Let's settle here somewhere and give it a go. I want to put my gear somewhere. Okay, let's just put it on this wood there. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Okay, let's watch the drone footage. There we go, guys. Cool. what you think of the drone shots. Stunning, aren't they? Honestly, this place looks beautiful as it is, but from the drone I think it looks even better. So we have to make it to our boat now, which is further. We have to swim, and then we're gonna stop for a little snorkel. So that's the last look at this hidden lagoon beach. Gorgeous, gorgeous look, gorgeous view. How long for the snorkel? How long do we have to go for?
We need to travel almost 3 to 5 minutes.
3 to 5 minutes. Not far.
Yeah.
Okay.
The Shimizu Islands behind that one.
Okay, cool. So
That is your last stop.
Shizu Island, yeah?
Yeah, Shimizu.
Shimizu, sorry. Okay, so take a last look on this beautiful beach, and then we're off to Shimizu Island, where we're gonna take a dip for a little snorkel. We made it. Honestly, to walk here on the bottom of this sea here, it's not very pleasant. Thanks, fuck, about this fantastic water shoes. Couldn't do that without it. I would cut my feet so many times. Thanks, Magda, for making me do it. Last look at the secret lagoon beach. But still, just look at this water. So clean. Probably the cleanest I've seen in Philippines. What's he doing? Oh, getting the anchor. Probably got stuck again. He's the anchor man. Does it manually most of times. Anyway, we ready to sail off now. 5 minutes and we stop at the snorkeling area. And Shimizu Island. I think we got a choice of snorkel or get off the beach, but we obviously see a few beaches already, so I'll say snorkel is what I would prefer to do. If you're watching this vlog from the second part, I recommend you go back and watch the first one, because there was some spectacular views, some nice drone shots, big lagoon and 7 Commando beach. Go back and watch it. In here we cover lunch so far, and then we got Shimizu Island and snorkeling to do. So yeah, I'll see you in about 5 minutes. This is like a bloody fish slash Tarzan. He's one's in the water, one's on the side of the beach. Doesn't need a step ladder or anything. Crazy, guys. There he is. Just look at him. What's he gonna do next? So fit, honestly. And dip in the water. I don't know what he's doing. I don't know why he's doing it. I guess this is what they have to do to reverse the boat. There we go. There's a bamboo stick. To have reverse it. Okay. I think we are on the track. And off we go. Let's go to a snorkeling spot. Just look at him. Crazy guy. I mean, that's fit. That's proper fit. Not for us Europeans, or at least not for me. Bloody hell. It's giving us a bit of a show, I'm sure. I don't think that's what he does normally. There you go, back on the boat. That's the Shimizu Islands. He said he recommends to go to another spot because this one is too crowded. But he's got another spot for snorkeling which is just as good and less people. So might as well try that. But I can just see the color of the water there, turquoise blue. Wow, the spot he's recommending us, hopefully just as good. Where are we going? I think we're going, are we going there?
Yeah.
Okay, are we going just,
But only snorkeling area.
okay,
Because the beach is a private.
okay. So we're gonna have a little snorkel there, can't go on the beach, because it's private again. Some of the rich people with private beaches. I wonder if I ever get to this level. I want my own private beach. Come on, just a little one like this. That would do me 100%. Right, so let's get to the snorkeling point and let's have a little snorkel. Okay, so let's have a little snorkel here. And again, I'm good that I haven't got my GoPro sort of camera, but what I'm gonna try to do is put my phone in this waterproof cases, and I'm gonna try using my phone. I don't think I'm gonna break my phone in case the water gets there because it's an iPhone 16, so it's waterproof. But let's see. Might be not too bad actually. Look at this private beach. Shit. That's so good. Honestly, I think, you know, it's a snorkel area here, but I can't see any reef. Unless I have to look from the below, from under the water to see it. So I will see you in a very little bit after our snorkel. Well, it can't be that bad because there are people snorkeling there. So look at this. Okay, fingers crossed my phone will survive. Fingers crossed the views are nice. Let's find out. And that at the same time is our last stop. So let's check it. Go on then, let's check it. showed the guy the reef, and he said the reef is dead because of foreign people coming for fishing. And I was like, what kind of fishing kills the reef? And he said that they do this sort of dynamite fishing, so they throw dynamite in the water. Basically, excuse me, it's gonna be a one big boom, and all the fish comes up to the top. Unfortunately, this also kills the reef. Not very good. We're about to leave this beautiful place, and we're heading towards our next stop, which the guy says is the place we gotta remember, which is the hotel. So an hour and 20 in front of us until we reach the hotel. Well, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I hope you liked it all. Let me know which was your favorite stop of the vlog. I hope you've watched both parts, not just the one. And yeah, make sure you leave me loads of comments underneath here. Give me a big thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel not to miss any future videos coming every 3-4 days from our Philippines series. As we're still in Palawan for a couple more days, I mean Nakpam Beach for a couple more days, then we're moving to El Nido. Should be some nice footage from there, and then we're over to Boracay just for relax and beach, and who knows what else. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one. We still got an hour and 20 to get home. If I find some nice views, then I will record it. If I don't, then I won't. So yeah, see you at the next one. Bye.